So we did a poll over on our Instagram, and today we have decided to go to Powerscourt. So the two that got the most percentage, would you say? Like the highest percentage of votes was Powerscourt and Belfast. So today we have just arrived at Powerscourt Waterfall. Woo!
Somebody's crying, Bolo. Somebody's crying, Bolo. I need your love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
So this is Powerscourt Waterfall, and this is the team today. Ciara, Conor, Sinead, Sean, that's me behind the camera. Hey Conor.
Hello, I'm Sinead, and this is my waterfall.
Somebody feels like no one cares.
16 euro for a family ticket. You can come and enjoy your time with your family. There's picnic benches, a little snack bar, and you're only 5 kilometers from Powerscourt Hotel. Most of all, it's only $5.50 for a student, so it's a great day to enjoy yourself and relax. Well, Ciara, what do you think?
Absolutely loving it here, like it's fab. It's
Yeah.
stunning. Like, can you see the reflection of that waterfall in my glasses?
In
Like,
my
how
glasses.
stunning.
Oh, it's just so perfect. Hi, Conor.
Hello.
All the nature behind us as well.
Oh, like so
Natural.
natural.
We have just left the waterfall and have decided to do a lap around the surrounding area of the waterfall and see what Powerscourt really has to offer. Are you ready?
We just spotted this. We're about to do a walk from the waterfall to, I don't know where we're going, but apparently on the way you can see, listen, touch, smell, discover bugs, trees and plants. So as we journey along this walk, we're probably going to stop at these places and show you what these mean. It says when we see the symbols we're to slow down and discover Powerscourt in a new way with their sensory walk. So let's start it and see what this is all about.
Do you know what I can smell?
What?
Hay fever.
Yeah.
Oh, listen. Listen to the waterfall.
First one is an ear, which means to hear, and we can hear the waterfall. You probably can't because of the microphone, but it's there and we can hear it, which is an added bonus, I suppose. I don't know.
So we're doing the little walk in Powerscourt. We're at the waterfall. It's so much fun. There's a little river down here. Let's go down to the river. I know you just said that, but whatever. Yeah, it's so stunning out here. Like, I actually want to live out here.
It's so zen.
So zen.
So
yeah.
zen.
So zen.
Zen.
Yes, get it.
Let's go up this side.
Look at me like that.
Right guys, we've just gotten to the site podium and look at the beautiful views we have of the trees, but let's not forget our main attraction, the waterfall itself.
I am apparently the only one out of the group today that has ever seen it. The one with the clown came out last year or something.
It's too scary to
I've spotted something in these bushes, okay? And
Me.
these all have no idea what it is.
I don't like the look of that.
But I want to show you, because if you've seen it, you're going to know what this is.
I don't like the look
No.
of that. I
Well,
feel like half is broken.
come on, Conor. There is a scene in it where he goes into the sewers through a tunnel, and honestly the first thing that I thought of when I seen this was that. Now it's broken a little bit, I don't know what it is, but it's guarded by a tree. Conor, what do you think this is, mate?
I have no idea.
You go first, yeah? Damn. How come every adventure we go on we find like a little cave? There's nothing in there. Okay, maybe it's not so. Oh, actually, hold on. Someone blocked that up. This looks like it was some sort of a structure. So we found a really nice spot to get photos taken. You're surrounded by a lot of bushes, which is really nice.
And Sinead.
Really tranquil, and Sinead's here. But you got the waterfall in the background, which is really nice, and you can still hear it. You probably can't hear it, but you can. And it's really tranquil, isn't it?
Yes, very zen.
Okay, so we found a really nice spot to take some photos at that's literally this close to the waterfall.
So all you have to do is look to the left of the waterfall and you'll find this little grassy patch.
And it leads you straight to here, 2 minutes away from the waterfall, and you can get some really nice shots from far away with the waterfall behind you.
What was that? I'm afraid to look at what it was I sat on.
What happened to you?
I sat down on that fucking... Oh, see that little bit there? Literally straight up.
Oh God.